welcome back. I'm Carissa Tom here with Nicole Van Buskirk. And if you're new here, this is our listing series where we tour homes in the Albuquerque and greater area. And this is our newest listing in Bernalillo.
This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home, approximately 1,300 square feet. Some of the features are that it's at the end of the road. It has a pitched roof as well as side yard access. Let's go check it out. As you come in through the front door, you're welcomed by an open concept kitchen, dining, and living room with a pellet stove. Your kitchen has plenty of counter space and storage for all of your cooking essentials. Going down your main hallway, you will find your full bathroom with a beautiful granite countertop sink. Continuing down the hallway, you will find a laundry closet which includes both washer and dryer. All 3 of your bedrooms have gorgeous laminate and vinyl flooring, with 2 of them boasting walk-in closets. Going down the hall and out of your back door, you will find a zero-scaped backyard with a new cedar fence and a shed which can be used for storage or as an outdoor workshop. Thank you for coming along with us on the tour of this home.
For more information, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to serve you. And we'll see you on the next one.
This has been another listing presentation by the CQ Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams Realty. Thank you guys for watching. Please DM us if you have any questions or give us a call. Hope you guys have a beautiful rest of the week.